Well, I finally did it. I went out and bought a Chinese diesel heater and made a box for it, and I'd like to show you the box and how I put it together. I knew I didn't have room inside the trailer to make this work, so I'd have to make a box and put it outside of the trailer. After looking at many other builds and suitcase style boxes, I decided to make a custom box out of wood. This box is 25.5 by 21 by 12. 13 if you count the trim that we had to put on to be able to make the latches work. You're done. Here's how I'm stepping down to go from 1/4 inch fuel filter to this 2mm stuff for the diesel heater. I'm gonna just put it all together. Put a little bit of oil right here. Now I'm gonna slide this into here for a better fit. We're gonna put a little oil on that too. Want to get it right up to it so there's no areas for bubbles. It's a really good seal though, really good fit. As I thought about this box, I tried to think of every possible scenario in which I'd be using it and maintaining it. And I tried to incorporate that in the build. I made it so that tank can be filled with just by opening up this latch here, if you're at a gas station, which is nice and handy. But also, if you had to take the tank out of here, you can just lift it out as long as you take this petcock or fill valve out. The tank can just lift right out if you have to ever replace it. I wanted the heater and all its parts to be easily accessed for maintenance, but yet I wanted everything to be inside and away from snow and the rain and critters. I've got 3 different compartments here. I've got the gas area, I've got the actual heater, then I got the intake and exhaust, and they're all separate compartments that are sealed off from each other. That way mitigating any risks of carbon monoxide leaking into different areas, or if I dribble a little at the gas pump or develops a leak in the tank, that it's not going to come over into the exhaust side or vice versa. I also wanted this fuel pump here to be as far away from my bed at night as I could get it, because it makes a really loud ticking noise, and it sounds like a clock ticking, and that would keep me up at night. I'm going to put this bad boy right in front of the Vinos and mount it to the wall. The heat will be piped in right through the wall, and the air from the trailer will be recirculated. I did this as where we camp is always really dusty, and I didn't want to have to throw a filter on my fresh air intake. It's going to come right from inside the trailer. I'll mount 3 L brackets to the front of the trailer to sit the box on. On the inside, I will use electrical box covers as sort of a gigantic fender washer to give it added strength. Then another washer, locks, and nuts on each bolt. I'll take 4 more bolts to go through the back of the box into the Vinos in the same manner for added support. Got my baby. I will run the electrical through the openings for the cold air return, keeping it away from all heat sources. All right, everything's done. We're getting ready to start it for the first time. Here's a look at my beds. Let me zoom out a little bit. Got some new bedspreads for the new beds. But what we're all here to see is this here. I haven't started it yet inside here, and I gotta have a 3-inch hole saw. I'm gonna put it right about here. There it is, coming in. I got that master on off switch right here, Big Daddy, and I got the air return to go right in there. Let's see here, on. Oh, I think it's working.
I hear it.
You can see it's all starting up. Kind of hear the tick of the pump. Well, I'd say this is a successful install. Check back with me and I'll let you know how it works out over the course of time. Again, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this content, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a like. That helps YouTube spread my video. And consider sharing with your friends. Stealing Time Outdoors. Thank you. Have a good day.